Welcome to Be My Solutions. Let us consider this logarithmic question here on the board. This is likely wire question. We have if 6 log 2 base x minus 3 log 3 base x equals 3 log 0.2 base 5. We are expected to find the value of x. Now first, I put down here solution. Bring down the question 6 log 2 base x minus 3 log 3 base x equals 3 log 0.2 base 5. Now here, the first step we are going to consider here is for us to apply power logarithmic property here. That is, we are going to return these numbers that are at the back of this log to the powers. Then now, if you do that, you are going to have here log 2. If you move it down, it turns to the power of the arguments. Then base x minus log 3. Moving 3 down here, it turns to the power of argument. 3 to the power of 3. Then base x equals 3. Now, let's break this down at the same time. 0.2 is the same thing as 2 divided by 10. In simplified form, which will give us 1 divided by 5. Then we have a 3 log 1 over 5 to the base of 5. This is the same thing as this. Then now we move further. If you break it down, this down again, we are going to have log 2 to the power of 6. That simply means 2 in place of 6, which will give us 64 here. Then to the base of x minus here, this simply means 3 to the power of 3 implies 3 in 3 places, which will give us 27. Then we have here log 27 to the base of x equals, here we can still simplify this from indices. 1 over 5 is the same thing as 5 to the power of negative 1. That is, in this place, we're going to have 3 log 5 to the power of negative 1, then base 5. Then now, here at the left hand side of the equation, we can simplify this. We can apply a negative logarithmic property here. That is, in this place of negative, we change it to division sign, but the expressions will be written of this form. Then we are going to have here log to the base of x into 64 divided by 27 equals, here we are going to return this power of negative 1 to the back of the log, and that will give us 3 multiplied by negative 1, then log 5 to the base of 5. Then we move further. Here we have log to the base of x 64 divided by 27 equals, here note that if you have log of base a, log a to base a will give us 1. And as such, here log 5 to the base of 5 is 1. Then 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by negative 1, that will still give us negative 3 here. Now also record that whenever you have log a to the base of b equals c, that a equals b to the power of c. Then now we are going to apply this principle right here. Then if you do that, I'm going to have here that 64 divided by 27 equals x to the power of negative 3. Now, we simplify this further. If you have here, note that 64 can also be expressed in index form as well as 27 to the power of 3 as well. Then if you do that, you are going to have here 4 to the power of 3. That will give us 64. Then 27 will give us 3 to the power of 3. That will give us 27. And this equals x to the power of negative 3. Then since they have common power, we can rewrite this as 4 divided by 3 all raised to the power of 3 equals x to the power of negative 3. Now we can also simplify this. Then as such, we are going to have here 4 divided by 3 to the power of 3 equals x to the power of negative 1 to the power of 3. If you multiply this out, you get this exactly. And so since the power is the same, we consider the base. Then now we are going to have here that 4 divided by 3 equals x to the power of negative 1. Then now from indices, x to the power of negative 1 can be written as 1 divided by x. Then as such, we are going to have here that 4 divided by 3 equals 1 divided by x. Then now if you cross multiply, you're going to have that 4x equals 3. Then now to get x, we divide both sides of the equation 3 by 4. Then as such, if you do that, we have that x equals 3 divided by 4. And this is a possible value of x that satisfies this equation here on the board. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions.